Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Onix Graphite Z5. Onix has established itself as one of the top brands in the world of pickleball, known for producing high-quality paddles that cater to players of all skill levels. Among its lineup, the Graphite Z5 stands out as the most popular choice, and for good reason. Designed with a graphite face and a wide hitting surface, this paddle offers exceptional control while providing a generous sweet spot. This makes it an ideal option for beginners who are still developing their reflexes and learning to handle the pace of competitive play. Weighing in at 8.2 ounces, the Z5 strikes a perfect balance for players who are unsure of their preferred paddle weight. Its handle, reminiscent of a tennis racket, features a textured grip that ensures your hand remains comfortable even during long, intense matches. The padding adds an extra layer of relief, reducing fatigue and allowing you to focus on precision and power. During our hands-on testing, we found the Graphite Z5 to feel exceptionally balanced, with a solid yet forgiving performance thanks to its Onix honeycomb core. This design helps generate powerful returns without sacrificing control. To protect your investment, the paddle includes a protective edgeguard, shielding it from chips and cracks if dropped or knocked against hard surfaces. Priced just under $100, the Z5 offers an outstanding combination of quality, performance, and affordability. It's versatile enough to take you from a beginner stage all the way to competitive tournament play, making it one of the best value options in the current pickleball market. Number 2. Head Radical Elite. Fiberglass paddles are known for providing excellent control on the court, though they typically don't deliver the same raw power as graphite paddles. The main advantage of choosing a fiberglass paddle, however, is its affordability, making it a popular option for beginners or players looking for a reliable paddle without breaking the bank. Among the fiberglass options, the Head Radical Elite stands out as our top pick. It combines a lightweight design with durable construction and a well-balanced feel, making it ideal for players who prioritize precision over sheer power. This paddle excels during long volleys where accuracy is essential. Its composite hitting surface softens the impact of the ball, giving players a responsive, controlled feel on returns. While the Radical Elite comes in just two color options, orange and yellow, we found it performs exceptionally well regardless of its simplicity. During hands-on testing, we were impressed by the grip, which is slightly longer than standard pickleball paddles. This added length makes it easy to execute two-handed backhands and provides better handling during fast-paced rallies. Weighing just 8.1 ounces, the Radical Elite is easy to maneuver, helping new players develop consistent strokes and maintain control throughout a match. Although you can compete effectively with this paddle, advanced players may eventually seek a graphite option for more power. For beginners and those focused on accuracy and finesse, the Radical Elite delivers remarkable performance at a budget-friendly price of around $70, making it one of the best value paddles on the market. Specifications. Weight, 8.1 ounces. Dimensions, 9 by 16 inches. Grip circumference, 4.16 inches. Number 3. Selkirk Sport SX4 Starter Pack. If you're searching for a convenient pickleball set to enjoy with a friend or significant other, Selkirk's SX4 Starter Pack is one of the best options available. This all-in-one package includes two high-quality paddles, for durable pickleballs, and a practical carrying bag, making it easy to transport and store your gear. Selkirk is a leading brand in the pickleball world, and the SX4 Starter Pack demonstrates why it's trusted by players of all levels. The paddles themselves are thoughtfully designed and feature premium elements not usually found in beginner sets. Each paddle has a polymer honeycomb core that helps absorb the impact of shots, making long rallies more comfortable and reducing strain on your wrist and forearm. The innovative G4 Control graphics surface includes SpinFlex technology, which adds texture to the paddle face. This texture allows beginners to better control ball placement, making it easier to develop consistency and accuracy during play. Comfort is another highlight of the SX4 paddles. The cushioned grips are designed to absorb sweat, reducing slippage and keeping the paddle securely in hand. No accidental flying paddles here. Weighing a manageable 7.5 ounces, the paddles are light enough for nearly all players to handle with ease, whether you're new to the game or just looking for a more relaxed recreational experience. Overall, Selkirk's SX4 starter pack offers a complete, thoughtfully designed set that's perfect for beginners and casual players. Its quality construction, user-friendly features, and portability make it a great value for anyone looking to start playing pickleball with a friend or partner. Specifications: weight, 7.5 ounces. Dimensions, 7.8 by 15.67 inches. Grip circumference, 4.25 inches. Number 4. Joola Essentials Paddle. Austin, Texas-based Recess has quickly made a name for itself in the pickleball world thanks to its stylish, well-designed gear and apparel. Among its standout offerings is the Vista Pickleball Paddle, one of the brand's most popular models. What sets this paddle apart is its impressive variety. Recess offers nearly 40 colorways, ranging from classic patterns to bold, limited edition designs, allowing players to express their personality while on the court. Beyond its eye-catching aesthetic, the Vista paddle is built with performance in mind. Its sanded texture surface provides excellent spin control, letting players add precision and finesse to their shots. The honeycomb core delivers a solid, balanced level of power, making it ideal for players at any skill level, from beginners learning the basics to more experienced players refining their technique. Each paddle also comes equipped with a protective edgeguard to prevent chips and damage during intense rallies, as well as a logo-branded canvas cover for safe transport and storage. During hands-on use, the Vista feels light and comfortable at just 7.5 ounces, allowing for quick reactions and effortless swings. The grip circumference of 4.25 inches ensures a secure hold, while the overall dimensions of 7.8 by 15.67 inches give players a wide, forgiving surface to improve accuracy and confidence. With its combination of bold style, thoughtful design, and solid performance, the Vista Pickleball Paddle makes learning the game more enjoyable and visually striking. It's a great choice for anyone looking to elevate both their game and their court presence. Specifications: weight, 7.5 ounces. Dimensions, 7.8 by 15.67 inches. Grip circumference, 4.25 inches. Number 5. Rokne Curve Classic. Joola is a respected name in the pickleball world, known for producing high-quality paddles for players of all levels. Among their lineup, the Joola Essentials paddle stands out as an excellent choice for beginners who have ambitions of eventually advancing their game. While it's not the brand's most sophisticated or feature-packed model, it provides the fundamental qualities needed to develop proper technique and build confidence on the court. One of its standout features is the large sweet spot, which helps reduce mishits and gives players a forgiving surface to practice with. Combined with its soft touch, the Essentials paddle allows new players to focus on refining their shots without worrying about losing control or precision. The paddle's perforated grip is thoughtfully designed to provide breathability and prevent slipping, ensuring that it stays securely in your hand even during long rallies or intense matches. This design is particularly helpful for beginners who are still developing their stroke consistency and swing mechanics. The Essentials paddle was created in collaboration with Ben Johns, a professional pickleball player in the Professional Pickleball Association, PPA. This partnership ensures that while the paddle is beginner-friendly, it incorporates design elements inspired by professional play. For players who start with the Essentials model, it serves as a natural stepping stone toward more advanced paddles, such as the official Joola Ben Johns CFS tournament model, making progression seamless. Weighing 8.2 ounces, with a grip circumference of 4 inches and overall dimensions of 7.9 by 15.5 inches, the Joola Essentials paddle is balanced, comfortable, and a practical choice for newcomers aiming to improve their game. Specifications: weight, 8.2 ounces. Dimensions, 7.9 by 15.5 inches. Grip circumference, 4 inches.